Yeah, this is a really quick and easy. Give me 1 second. I'm sorry. It sounds like I have two mics on here. Yeah, really quick and easy recipe. I am going to put, say, I think the recipe calls for like a tablespoon worth of olive oil. So I'm going to put that here. And again, you don't necessarily have to use olive oil. You can use vegetable oil, whatever kind of oil you have. Cooking oil, let me be specific. Whatever kind of cooking oil you have, you can go ahead and use to fry your onions.
What kind of olive oil do you use? Do you use like extra
Um,
virgin?
this is extra virgin olive oil. I
Extra
like to
virgin.
use this. To me, it tastes the best.
Okay.
So we'll start here. I'm gonna go ahead and add my onions to the pot or the pan. And I used a whole onion. And again, you can use however much onion you like. Just you make it to taste, basically.
Sure. Do you use a sweet onion, a Valdelia onion? Does it really matter?
Yeah, it's a sweet white
Just a
onion.
sweet white onion? Okay.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yum.
To see that as well. And what I'm going to do, because I think the recipe also called for like a pound of beef, but I'm going to use two because I'm making this for my family. I'm going to use 2 pounds. My husband really likes this chili, so I have to make.
Okay.
So you can, if you're not a beef person, again, turkey is also a great substitute. I would say. I've even heard people using tofu for vegetarian.
Sure. So you don't even have to use meat at all.
Oh, that's true. Well,
All right. So we are going to now add in the beef. Well, for you, beef. For those that are using beef, and for me, I'm going to add in the turkey meat.
So you can use beef, you can use turkey, you can use chicken. Is that correct?
Correct.
Or you can just do vegetarian and not have any meat at all. You can use tofu.
Tofu, yes, whatever. And I've heard, and I used to do this too before. I wish I had to pick some sausage, some ground sausage up. Sausage and turkey mixed together is amazing. It makes for an amazing recipe, chili recipe. So, yeah.
That sounds awesome.
So we're going to just brown this. Once we're done with this, I'm going to just go ahead and throw it over in the pot, and then the other ingredients. Again, you can add your spices and stuff before you put it in your pot. Like after you ground your beef, you can go ahead and add or throw it over in the pot and then add spices. I'm going to make it easy, simple, and just add everything in from the actual crock pot itself.
So chili is actually like a one pot meal.
It is.
If you can put everything into your pot.
Isn't that amazing?
And it seems like the longer it cooks, the better the ingredients come together. Is that right?
Absolutely. That is absolutely correct. And again, one of the reasons why I love making chili is because, again, it takes about 5 to 10 minutes to prepare, and then that's really the hardest part, right? Or the part, and kind of let it sit and cook on its own, and it's done. And especially if you have like a big family to feed, this is the perfect recipe.
Okay.
It'll last as I try to make mine last. My husband loves it. It probably will be.
I think I'm starting to smell the onions and turkey cooking, Kenyetta. Smelling good.
Awesome. Awesome.
Yeah.
So just kind of cook a little bit. I am going to measure out some of these ingredients that we're going to use here.
Okay.
So again, we have a chili powder here. Again, garlic powder.
Okay.
Use whatever brand works for you. This is
It is 1.5 cup of beef broth, or 1/2 cups beef broth. I think you showed that to us earlier.
I have my measuring cup here.
Okay.
So we're going to 1.5. Is it 1.5 cup?
Yes, 1.5 cups beef broth. So that will, so technically we will be adding what, 3 cups?
Yeah, pretty much.
Because we're adding 1.5 and 1.5.
Go ahead and pour that over in there.
Kenyetta, I don't know if you know, but I'm always hungry. I am always hungry. It says add 1 15-ounce can of Petite diced tomatoes.
So this is a 14.5 ounce. So I got 2.
Okay.
So
That should work. That should be okay.
Maybe another full can. Is it saying to add with? Because sometimes it tells you to drain it. So is it saying to add with?
It just says 1 15-ounce can. Let's see what the instructions say.
So we will add it with the juice. Last time I did it, I added it with the juice.
It says add the broth, diced tomatoes with their juice.
Exactly. Yeah.
Drain the beans and tomato sauce. Stir well.
Okay.
Here, the beans.
And so did it say 1 can?
Yes, it says 1 16-ounce can.
Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in another can.
Okay.
We have one.
You can go wrong if you do decide to add a couple of different types of beans, even.
True. And we're just about done here with this recipe.
Mm-hmm. Yes, the last ingredient to add is 1 8-ounce can of tomato sauce.
Give it that that chili, that I guess final chili kick. And I need to get because I'm cooking it in a smoker, I'm going to let it cook on high for 2 hours.
Okay.
But if you like it to cook a little bit slower than that, so say for instance, you're busy, you have some errands to run, you can actually turn it on medium or low and let it cook for 4 to 5. So that's really basically all to it. Now we're just going to let it sit and cook for 2 hours. Okay. And I want how it looks. I'm going to try to change the angle of the camera here, or maybe push it a little closer so you can kind of see in the pot.
Okay. Okay.
How about I do this? I'm going to lift the camera up a little bit and kind of point it in the direction.
Sure. That's fine.
See that?
Yum.
Yeah. I can't wait to taste
it. Made today. Nice.
Top it off, like finish it with, or eat it with something. There's so many options. Like, we can do baked potato, which I do have. There in the week. You can do cornbread, which is quick and easy. You can do crackers, and right. You know, if you want to kind of switch it and change it up a little bit, you can also do tortilla chips. Because it's nachos, which is one of my favorite things to eat.
I liked how it said we can also add like avocado to it, to the topping. We can add shredded cheese.
Yeah.
Add diced tomatoes. You can add sour cream. So there's so many additional toppings. Kenyetta, thank you so much for sharing your recipe with us today here at Read With Me Pittsburgh. Look forward to other recipes, and I think you've made all of us hungry now.
Yeah, I can't wait to kind of give you guys a little taste test of it. If you decide that you're going to make it, maybe leave a comment and kind of let us know how it turned out. That'll be awesome. Yeah, that would. let me know too if you did anything different. If you're doing anything different from what we had, it'd be great. I would love to try different chili recipes. I've been making the same one for years, so to try out some different ingredients would be amazing.
Have a happy holiday and a Merry Christmas, and thank you so much for taking time with us during this holiday season. Yeah, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you. Enjoy your day. Happy holiday.
Bye.
Shining